It's Auntie Bubbles! Today we're going on a trip to the farm. Farms are like big playgrounds for animals, where they get to eat yummy food, play in the sunshine, and make all sorts of funny sounds. Get ready to giggle and moo your way as we learn about the special ways farm animals talk to each other. Cows are the rock stars of the farm. They make a loud, deep sound called a moo. Can you moo like a cow? Mooing can be high or low, short or long, just like how we use our voices to say different things. Maybe the cow is mooing a big hello to her friends. Or maybe she's mooing a happy tune because it's milking time and she gets a yummy treat. Chickens are the busybodies of the farm. They're always clucking away, like they have a million things to tell you. A loud cluck might mean they found a giant juicy worm for a snack. A softer cluck could be a mama hen checking in on her fluffy chicks, making sure they're safe and sound. Pigs are the mud-loving goofballs of the farm. They love to snort, squeal, and of course, oink. Oinks can be loud and happy, like when a pig rolls around in a nice, cool mud puddle. Oinks can also be a little quieter, like a shy hello to the other pigs at breakfast time. Horses are the graceful athletes of the farm. They whinny softly when they're feeling happy and friendly, but when they neigh, watch out! A loud neigh can mean the horse is super excited. Maybe it's time to go for a run or learn some new tricks. Ducks are the comedians of the farm. They love to waddle around and quack all day long. A loud quack might mean they found a super tasty worm for lunch. A softer quack could be a group of duck friends having a silly conversation about who gets the biggest puddle to splash in. Sheep are the cuddly cloud makers of the farm. They have soft, fluffy fleeces and love to munch on grass all day long. Their sound is so gentle. A loud baa might mean a lamb is calling for its mommy sheep. A softer baa could be a friendly greeting to a new farmyard friend. Bees are the tiny superheroes of the farm. They might not moo or cluck, but they buzz around really busy all day. Their buzzing tells their friends where to find the tastiest flowers full of pollen and nectar. Sometimes they buzz to warn each other of danger, like a scary spider trying to sneak a snack. Even though they are small, bees are super important to the farm. We learned all about the fun sounds that farm animals make. Cows moo, chickens cluck, pigs oink, horses neigh, ducks quack, sheep baa, turkeys gobble, bees buzz, and geese honk. These sounds are the animals' way of talking to each other. The next time you're at the farm, see if you can hear all these sounds and maybe even try to moo or cluck along. Thank you for joining us on this farm-tastic adventure. Hey, it's Auntie Bubbles!